I want to see, and everybody else wants to see, an original pilot, because a pilot is the hardest thing to write. And there's something else I want to say too, which is, and we kept learning this over and over on Grimm, simple stories, complex characters, right? And all plot has to come out of character. Joss Whedon used to say, I'd rather have a moment than a move, an emotional moment than a plot move. We were pretty crappy detectives on Buffy and Angel, to be honest, but we had great emotional characters. And so I'm looking for a pilot. And in a pilot, what's so challenging is that you have to, first of all, create a bunch of characters that I want to see next week. You have to have an idea. Now, in the old days, an idea that there could be 100 episodes in. Nowadays, it's, with the streaming, sometimes it's only 8 episodes. And another thing I see is a lot of these 8-episode series should be 4 hours. They start great and they end great, and they're dull as dishwater in the middle. Not every story is worthy of 100 episodes. But the question you have to answer in a pilot is, why am I coming back next week? Why is this a series? And I have to do a little A story within that. Anybody who's seen the pilot of Grimm knows it has the simplest A story in history. Little girl is kidnapped, little girl is saved by our heroes. But this whole world is opening up to the character. So, and again, since television is my métier, an amazing pilot. And keep writing pilot. People always think, how do I get in? How do I get an agent? How do I get all this stuff? You get all that stuff by sitting at a desk, hopefully all day, every day. Or if you're making a living, you're a waiter at night, or maybe you got a PA job on a show. Writing, and it all comes back to the writing. So that's what I look for.